Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. How to own the trade in Solmax Global Company. Okay, every user of this company must check trade, then the on trade. Okay, today I am showing you how to turn it on your trade and start your trade listed into the market. As you will see, today is Monday and 18th February. Okay, 11:13 p.m. o'clock. In this time, now I am checking trade and to list on the trade. Every week, okay, you must check your trade. If there is any trade is available there, then you must that it listed so that your trade will start. Okay, for listing or trade, click here to my portfolio. After clicking here my portfolio, as you will see here, list I-100 for trade. There is no. You must click here for yes. So that your trade will be listed. Okay, and trading will be started. Okay, if there is no any trade here is available, then this option will not be shown here. Okay, now click here to on the trade. Click here. When I am clicking here, as you will see here, there are many trades. High end rate 49.95 pennies. Okay, this is what STO's price. Okay, in all STOs you must be on. As you will see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 trades or available. You must on all trades. Or just click here and scroll this arrow till the end. Click here, scroll the arrow till the end. Okay, click here and drag onto the mouse. Click here. Okay, keep left click and drag. Okay, keeping the left mouse click and drag it. Move it. So your all trade will be started. As you will see here, with SDO's price, everything is here. Okay, this will be done. Okay, this will be done. Now click here to submit. Okay, before that your transaction password is important. Enter your transaction password, then submit all trades. Click here to submit. As you will see here, your I-100 have been listed for trade successfully. And here you will be see date 8th January and all trade in progress. Progress. Okay, pennies STO's price. In this way your trade will be completed successfully. This is in progress. As you will see here, okay, when I am clicking here my portfolio again, after clicking, as you will see here my portfolio, okay, your trade will be listed. Okay, these are the all your trades and will be listed. Now I am clicking here to dashboard. As you will see here, saving account and your cash account, okay, 0, and your valuation before that it's 5 point something. Now it shows valuation 2.045 because your pending trades will be listed into the market. Okay, as you will see, after some time your account, cash account, everything will be updated soon because your trade in progress. Okay, your trade account, open, saving, everything will be updated. You must note day, Monday, and time 11:28 p.m. according to Asian time. Okay, in this way you can calculate this time according to your country. Then you will check your trade, and you must be listed that trade. So your account will be updated soon. You can join our referral program. Just refer others to earn and withdraw money. Click here to register your account and refer others. Earn and withdraw without investment. Okay, this is my referral link. As you will see here, S stands for Sol, M stands for Max, G stands for Global. Solmax Global link. This is my username. Okay, just click here to register your account and join our professional team. We welcome new people to join our professional team. Same link is here. Click here to register your account and join our professional team. This registration link you will find in the description of this video. Types of income. Daily profits on ROI, return on investment, 1 to 2% for 200 days. Direct bonus 10%, binary bonus 10%, and matching bonus. You must level and see both sides, left and right side. Then you will get 50% of only referral bonus. Level 1 20%, level 1 direct bonus 10% and binary bonus 20%. Level 2 15%. Level 2 means referrals of the referrals commission. Okay, you can refer someone and you register using your referral link, and after that if further advertise is referral link and refer other, then is referral link anyone use, register and invest, then level 2 commission, level 2 is get 20% on the first level and you will get level 2 15% referrals of the referrals commission in this way. And level 2 of this person referrals, if invested, then you will get 10%. If this person referrals will invest it, then you will get 5% bonus. In this way it will become 50% referral bonus. It's a good opportunity of this company. You also earn with more earn with your referrals. If you build up your own team and start earning, then you will earn more with your team. In this way, referrals of the commission. Okay, you can join with my team using following links for further company details and queries. If you have any confusions about online investments or any discussions, further queries, and you can also join our team using these WhatsApp groups. These WhatsApp groups you will find into the description of this video. Okay, If you have any confusions or queries about investments, then contact me following contact number and addresses. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number, WhatsApp groups, Telegram ID, Skype, and so on. You can follow us and for further queries using following links. Facebook page. Okay, this is my Facebook page. Join and for further queries. Facebook profile, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and VK profile. Use this is my username for all social networks. Mprogs Tech, Mohammed Programmers Technology, Mprogs Tech. Join and for further queries or discussions. You can learn, then you can earn. First, you must first learn. Okay, learning is important, mandatory for earning. Some people are trying to earn without learning, then they will lose their money and they will not succeed because they start without learning. Okay, learning is mandatory and learning is important. You can learn, then you can earn. To watch all basic to advanced investment tutorials. You must keep in your mind, you can learn first, then you can earn. To watch all basic to advanced online investments tutorials. This is my YouTube channel name, Mohammed Programmers Technology. This is my YouTube channel link. This link you will find into the description of this video. All links you will find. My blogger website. We will be waiting for feedbacks, comments and suggestions to improve our services. Best of luck.